How to file an immigration case online. The USCIS now offers an online filing of certain immigration forms. This online filing is only available to some categories of immigrants. In order to file a form online, you will need to set up an online account with the USCIS. If you don't know how to do it, please watch our video tutorial on how to set up your online USCIS account. The link to this video is posted in the description below. Once you log into your account, you can find an option to file a new case on the welcome screen or under the My Account menu tab. You will be provided with information about the filing process, fees, and supporting documents prior to starting your application, including information about online filing eligibility. You should read it very carefully to avoid any mistakes. Once you click the Start button, you will be presented first with questions from the Getting Started section, and your application experience will be customized depending on your answers. However, during the online application process, you will need to provide the same information as required for the submission of the paper form. As part of the application process, you will be required to upload relevant supporting documents. Based on your eligibility category, you may be exempt from paying the filing fee, but if you don't fall under any exemptions, you will be able to pay the filing fee online. Some forms are eligible for expedited processing. If your form is one of those and you wish to expedite its processing, you will be able to file a request for premium processing and pay additional fees as part of the online filing. After you complete the online filing process, you will be able to follow its review progress from your online account. If you are not eligible to file your form online, or if you are not comfortable with online filing, you can still file your case by mailing a paper form along with the check and supporting documents to the USCIS. We cover more immigration questions in other videos. Please subscribe to our channel to watch more immigration videos. If you found this video helpful, please like it.